Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to install the lever set. That's right, maybe you installed one of the Deslock locks, digital bolts, and you have to open it like I do without the door handle. So in this video we're going to show you how to install this thing right here so that it puts the handle on without the deadbolt, so you can pull the door open and closed to make things work just right for you. So without any further ado, let's get started so we can use the handle instead of our hand when opening and closing the door. Come. Let's see what we have in store for us. At first it was getting really easy, but then I gave the kids access to the room. They had some challenges when trying to open the door. Got this on Amazon. Let's see what we have here. Really nice. It's just bubble wrap. Okay. See, look at that. So there's no need to drill, no need to make any additional holes for the deadbolt, because a regular door would do that and the deadbolt will pull, retract. In this case, we already have one on there from the digital Deslock lock. Any of the Deslock locks this will work on. And as you can see, this is exactly what I needed. See, look at that. It doesn't turn because you just need to pull it. And if you want to see what it looks like, there it is right there. Kind of neat, huh? Just screws right in. It comes with all the screws. All you need is a screwdriver, maybe a drill to start the hole, but with this particular door, it should go right through. You might just want to have a marker or something that you can, or pencil, if the pencil will go all the way through. Maybe if you sharpened it, it might. Something to point it so that you can drill the holes evenly. Probably this thing right here, a little screwdriver, so we can mark it. All right, let's install this thing. Come. So we're just going to unlock the door so that we can see things as they were. Remember, any door this can go on. See, this is what we didn't want to do. Just keep opening and closing it like this, playing a bad game of Twister, holding it like that, and then locking it, and then hopefully this finger doesn't work. But I think I reprogrammed it so that now it is this finger. See that? Just opening and closing it. As you can see, not ideal, but what we can do is we're going to lock the door. Make sure the door is locked. Now that the door is locked, see, we can't push it in or activate it. Pretty much line it up to where we want it to go. So we can hold this evenly there. So we can take the screw and then just let it touch right in there and then take it off. See, we've got one hole there. We can start the hole, hopefully, if it lets us. Once we get one in, we have the hole already started, as you can see. And then what we can do is we can line it up right about there. Now that we've got one in, now we should be able to turn it so that it goes in. Now we can do the other one. Now that it's there, we can even it out, line it up so that it's straight. And now we can get the other holes started. You could use a drill to jump start it, or you can just do like we just did, lined up evenly for that hole, because you do want it to go in straight. Okay, now it's going in. Voila. Don't want to strip it, so that when we unlock the door, voila. See, look at that. And we can close it and open it without a problem. Now we can do that, or just press the lock button right here. See, kind of neat, huh? Now we can unlock it and open it as needed. As easy as 1, 2, 3, less than 5 minutes to install, and now we're good to go in and out of the room by just pulling the lever in or out. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.